So, Dr. Bilo, this is global geometry brick cladding.
Yes, Dr.
Now
Clark?
we need to find a detail which we are going to use for the metal.
So we make horizontal.
Now it needs brick here.
Yeah.
So we do that as
Be careful by drawing. You need a little bit more space. A metal cladding is thinner,
yeah.
a couple of millimeters.
You're right.
Now you need an entire strip of 10, 12, 11 and a half centimeters of bricks.
I will actually draw different. I will take the insulation here and then draw the wall.
Yep.
Not entirely.
Yeah, precisely.
So we have some left over there. This is where insulation stops, and then give it another 4 centimeter. Then we do, yeah, till here.
Yep.
So this is bricks.
Yep.
Then I add another piece of brick
that's
in
nice.
here.
So you also go around the corner a little bit towards the window with the bricks. So this is right now just another brick behind, and on the next layer of the brick there's a 3/4 stone that runs perpendicular to the windows. That makes it a nice corner that looks like a brick wall corner.
Yep, and you continue talking while I do the detail.
Yeah. If you don't have a stone here, you will show that this is just a thin layer of brick wall.
So this actually mimics.
It mimics a little bit more massive wall, but be careful. For instance, if you are using a sunshade, often this space will be used for vertical guiding rails, where the lamella or roller blinds or something like that could be guided down. So therefore, have a look. Otherwise, you need to add another few millimeters to take care of that.
We're going to fix the window again in the same way as we did before.
Metal brackets.
Metal brackets, going to be here.
And then nicely wrapped with raincoat / watertight barrier.
Yeah, raincoat is this layer.
Yeah, you're right, but
This is for vapor. This is
the vapor
the inner
barrier.
air tightness, which needs to go down here.
Yep.
And I may add a piece of aluminium here to fix it.
Yeah, often you can see that there's a compressible band, kind of like foam. That's a sealant, and you squeeze them, put them into, and then it expands and nicely following the line of the rough stones and the mortar to make a perfect sealant over there.
Okay. This is detail. The other one was 10. This is now 11.
Yep.
And it's a brick window.
Yeah. What you often see is that you also integrate the window sill into the brickwork.
Yeah.
But that's a little bit precise. That's a little bit a question of where to put this line here or there.
How this window sill works.
Precisely.
Okay. That's it.
Good.